Hi, in today's video I would like to show you the second part of turning over a bed in the organic garden. And as you remember in the previous video, which was uploaded to the channel a few weeks ago, I cleared out this bed where I was growing peas during the spring. And after we harvested all the peas, I just removed the plant residues, and after that I didn't do anything else. I just covered up the whole two beds with landscape fabric, and I just put some bricks on top to keep it in its place. And right now in this video I come back to the same bed around 4 weeks later, and I'm gonna continue the process of turning over this bed. So by turning over the bed, I mean that I am planting a new crop. So at this part, first I just remove the landscape fabric, and as you can see in the bed it's completely clear. I have very little plant residues. After 4 weeks it's more than 90% of it is gone. So I have a real nice clean bed. I just removed the landscape fabric, and by the next step I can start preparing for the new planting. Which I'm doing here is I'm bringing some organic fertilizer, which is pelleted manure-based organic fertilizer. I'm gonna add some of that to the two beds, and I'm just mixing it into the soil very shallow, around 2 centimeter or 1 inch deep. So just mixing it with the topsoil. After I'm done with that, I just bring my rake and I just try to make a nice even surface for the bed and just have a nice seed bed for planting, which is not even that crucial for this planting because I'm gonna bring some transplants for this case. So in this bed I was planting my fall brassicas, and I have some cabbages, Savoy cabbage, I have some calabres or heading broccolis, and I have some kohlrabis. So all different kinds of plants from the brassica family. And after I'm done with the transplanting, I need to set up a little tunnel covered with an insect net. So this fine mesh is just helping me to keep away mostly the flea beetles and any other pests that would damage my transplants. During the hot, dry summer, which we have here right now, the main pest for the brassica plants is the flea beetle. But by using this insect net, I can completely save my plants, and no bug or no insect and no any kind of pest can come through this fine mesh. So I did my transplanting, I gave them a nice watering, I covered them with the insect net, and that was the process for the turning over this bed. And as you can see, if you are using the right techniques, it's very easy job. We just let the nature and the soil life do the work for us, and we don't have to use any big tools or big amount of manpower for that purpose, and we don't have to disturb the soil life. We can just work with the nature and with the soil biology together, and with these ecological practices you can have great vegetables in your garden too. So I hope you like this video, and if you would like to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you in the next video.